best practices for using ability tests in specific roles. So with blue-collar workers, for example, particularly in relatively simple and routine work, you wouldn't need to set very high pass marks for ability tests. You really just want a sort of minimum screen, ensuring they meet the cognitive requirements of the role itself. Similarly, with administrative and clerical work, although you would want a slightly higher pass mark, you wouldn't need to be excessively selective, really just ensuring that the assessment's relatively quick and so that the applicants will complete them on time. Next, we have emerging talent recruitment. So this is graduates, this is interns, this is apprentices, and this is where ability tests are perhaps the most useful because they're extremely predictive of performance in these roles, but also you need them for shortlisting purposes. And so it makes sense to set very high pass marks for this, ensuring that you have a very small, concise shortlist of high performers. With experienced professionals, on the other hand, although they're extremely predictive of performance, you may begin to see some resistance. As a result, you need to make sure the assessments feel robust. It's really, instead of keeping the assessments concise and quick, you really want it to feel like they're really being assessed. That way they'll feel it's fair and therefore more likely to participate. And lastly, when you're looking at managers and executives, you take this to an even greater extreme. You need to frame this as an executive assessment so that they will indeed participate because the ROI potential is considerable with managers and executives.